Observe your man penny be the Chira, Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia, Menoka say, Nidia or the Sambia to ja HSE, the Siani who say, a year or mine, you to neighbor pa, a big crown now so cry, go Piemu Manonia, Edipa, addition of bush and for any idea, Esan say, or my new Moya no entia, or no cry, Roger to Mr. or my new Moya ding. Na eno anam so ma me no ka say they were pledge say and there you to wo man Ghana yi mu ene SMEs and small and medium sized enterprises no bobo modern na waso won asene e dey nam so mo twasika botini bi kura say yem fama sa nkrofo no na ntumi mo won asetremu ama wodwuma sam ene senia youth ne bra wo man Ghana mu no mpuntuo entumi embere mu yewura aye Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ekyese Sesia ne de so man yetumi bo modene na yeto abama no se omampani e wo kurodua mu hanu mu de a and the youth pore 1 million obemo modene na wo etreni wo e wo digital skills emu se yemfa abefo eni dwuma e wo kurodua mu hanu de a and the obebo modene ahye ama aye youth bakobako sa 1 million wo treni omo na etumi abo ma mpuntu ayo po man Ghana yimu ene digital ho nsensem ye de abefo edi dwuma e wo kuromu ama oman na tu mponde a o kire se obehwe ama sa adwumadie no etumi akoso yamampani e kire se it is possible esanse obeyo bampani a nyuma obeye okurodua mu onde enye se e ka kire obabo modern ahwe se youth no asitira ebekọ yie o kire se we betumi aboa ama youth no asitira mu ahehawo na etumi aboa nso obo ompuntu aye pe wo man Ghana yimu no etumi akoso na bibibia etumi aye kama entebisafo yenkodi nkotie ensam a eye yewura Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia adetu edwa
also launched an 8.2 billion cedi fund to support small and medium-sized enterprises to further demonstrate our commitment to youth development. And these initiatives reflect our comprehensive strategy to foster innovation, drive economic growth, and create opportunities for the younger generation. The future is about you, and we are going to keep going on to provide access to finance for startups, various areas, the creative arts, tourism, and the mining sector are all very important growth pools that we as a government are going to focus on. One of the areas that I am going to be very, very keen on is training 1 million youth in digital skills. 1 million youth in digital skills. So that the youth, because without the skills, the youth cannot have the opportunity to participate fully in the fourth industrial revolution. It is possible. Really, really possible. We want to move Ghana to the next level. And the digital revolution is one that will allow us to do so.
The Vice President of the Republic, His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, a man whose visionary leadership in digitalization earned him the title, the father of digitalization, and also Mr. Digital in Ghana. Under his guidance, we have seen rollout of groundbreaking initiatives such as the National Digital Property Address System, the mobile money interoperability, and the digitalization of the public service, Ghana.gov. These innovations are not just the milestone in our nation development, they are the very foundation upon which we are building a new prosperous Ghana. Your Excellency, your work exemplified the proverbs, and I quote, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is now. You have planted the seed of digitalization transformation, and we are already beginning to reap the benefit. The youth of Ghana, in particular, are taking the mantle and leveraging digital tools to create, innovate, and lead. They are driving the force behind our nation's progress, and it is our duty to support and guide them on this path.
Ntiebusa for we ene nsem wa yamampani abedi chire Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ede etudwa ha aye Dajin TV so ebe so subscribe YouTube channel no ede amaye no like waja comment so etumi ato ase ama bibia etumi ai kama medin ede ejinim wate makra